Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you 3 ways you can make money on Instagram. Using these methods won't limit you, so you can make a few bucks a month or you can make a few millions a month. Depends on how dedicated you will be. If you want to make money from Instagram and have active page, you have to post at least once a day. Take this seriously and don't just stop posting after a few weeks because you lost motivation and you just don't feel like posting anymore. Consistency is a key and don't expect anything overnight. I'm gonna be making video on how to grow on Instagram posting viral content, so make sure you're subscribed and don't miss any of my future videos. So you're posting viral content, being consistent, your page is growing organically, and how do you make money from it? First and easiest way is just to sell shoutouts. After just a few thousand followers you get organically, you will notice that people are reaching to you and asking for a post, story or tag or anything that will get them traffic to personal profiles or their businesses. So that's the time you should start doing sponsored posts or shoutouts. Don't charge too much if you have small following. You should start to charge a good amount of money when you get to like 100,000 followers or even more. That's the time when pages make tons of money with just one sponsored post. Second way to make money from Instagram page is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically when you promote a product and get paid per sale. You can sell physical or digital products, depends on what niche you're in. I would recommend ClickBank for digital and Amazon affiliate program for physical products. You can put your affiliate URL in your captions or in your bio. Affiliate links can be long and ugly, so I recommend using a URL shortener, especially if the link is going in your Instagram bio. Also use stories as much as possible, since you get swipe up feature after you reach 10k, so it's much easier for your followers to check the link and eventually buy the product. Third and last way to make money from Instagram that I'm gonna show you in this video is opening your own store. Find a good product and set it up in your own store with higher price so you make a good profit. Make sure you're not overpricing the products, since it will make them harder to sell. This is good because you're the only one who is in charge of everything, and you decide on what you're selling and how you will promote it. This is the method where you will make the most money per sale. You can put the URL of your store in your bio as well. Also use stories with this method as well. If any of these tips helped you in making money with Instagram, don't forget to leave a like and comment me ideas for next videos. Also subscribe so you don't miss my future uploads. Hope you have a great day and see you in the next video.